Do we have pressure on the cooling system? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. The hose is not, it's warm. The hose is not completely hard as a rock, but you can't completely compress the hose anymore, and you used to be able to do that as well. So I can't believe this, ladies and gentlemen. We fixed a major oil leak in this truck. Major. I mean, that was a big deal. That was a really big deal, and I'm literally, sometimes it's the small things. Sometimes it's the small things that you just let slip by because it seems like it's just too unlikely, you know? It's like there's no way it could be that easy, and I'm that type of guy. I'm that type of guy that has a nasty habit of overcomplicating simple situations, and this is a perfect example of it. I went through and replaced those valve cover gaskets, and these are not easy valve cover gaskets to replace, okay? These are a real PITA. You're bent over. I mean, the truck, even though it's a small truck, it sits up high. It's difficult bending over it. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. I changed those gaskets, and I use the good ones too, man. Those gaskets were expensive. I put them on, took it for a rip, and immediately is pouring oil back out. It was smoking all over the place. I was pissed. And that's why I did, in that one day, I did the silicone hoses. Those were a major pain. The valve cover gaskets, those were a pain. After I got done coming back from that trip, and the thing was still smoking everywhere, I got pissed off, and I parked it over there, and I just said, I washed my hands of it for a while. I said, I'm done. I'll come back to it later. And then I was looking at it. Before I finished putting it away and walking away from it, I was just kind of looking at it, and I kept seeing oil all down the valve cover, and it looked like it was pouring out of where the damn oil cap was. So I thought to myself, there's no way it's that simple. There's no way it's going to be that easy or cheap of a fix, because if it was, the dealer that owned it before me would have fixed it. Surely a dealer, right, would have spent $12, $13 on an oil cap and tried that first, right? But as you saw, they had the right oil cap. Somebody knew the oil cap was leaking. That's what kills me. You can buy this at O'Reilly Auto Parts. That's where I got it from. This is not a special order. If you want the OEM cap, it's special order. But this cap right here, this Master Pro Select oil cap, this is an O'Reilly part number, guys. So listen, if you got a Viper and you're finding yourself in this situation, the part number is 8111. It's made in China, and it still has the original gasket, the O-ring down there. It's just worn out. It's crushed. It's completely worn out. So somebody went and found a gasket that doesn't belong. They stuck it on here and doubled up the gaskets, and I didn't know that wasn't factory. I had no idea. This is how it came to me. I thought this is how it was supposed to be. Something as simple and cheap as an oil cap is what was causing a massive oil leak on this truck, and it caused a dealer to run away from the truck and dump it on a red light to somebody like me, who, although at first glance didn't figure it out, eventually said, you know what, for $12 or $13, isn't it worth a shot? I'm gonna tell you now, it was absolutely worth a shot. So now I have a decision to make on the truck. Now I'm in love with the truck again. I'll bet I don't have tags on it. Nope, I don't have tags on it. Okay, so now I have a decision to make with this truck. I got it super cheap, guys. I don't remember what I paid for it, but I'm fairly certain it was, I don't know, 18 grand, 18 or 19.